Good morning, everybody. Just wanted to give you guys an update on the hydrangea plants that I had shown you earlier in the season. Very early spring. So let me show you where they are now. We lost some just because I have to go away for 4 to 6 weeks at a time. But we have about 75 that are left from the original 100. In here we have some hostas, we have some mint plants, and we have the limelight hydrangeas. And then we also have this one right here. It's a different kind of hydrangea. That has a story and it's all in itself. We got some mint plants here growing. Those are the apple mint ones. These also, this one's not doing too well, but I just put these in here today. And they were just in normal pots, just like these, like that. Those are my other mint plants. We got some hostas there. Just cleaning some things up. I'll put another video in this video about where all my plants were while I was away. We had them all lined up in these black tubs here. These are basically just big like planter. You can use them as watering wells and whatnot. So they were basically all just lined up, all 5 here, and the plants were in there while I was away to make sure they continue to stay watered and whatnot. But yeah, that's just the update for the season so far. I'm just cleaning it up. I just got back a couple days ago from one of my rotations on the boat, and yeah, we're gonna get this place cleaned up. There's literally a frog in here. He's right there. That's so funny. But these are the plants. Well, some died. I knew that was gonna happen. But a lot of them survived. And hopefully I don't run into any snakes. That's my worry. Clearly there's literally a frog in here.